Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you some flowers that I've made just using some plain cardstock. They are quite Christmassy because I intend to use them on some Christmas cards I'm going to make. Well, that's the plan. So these first ones are just white and they're quite big. They're about 3 inches across. And to make those, I actually had two sort of shades of white. One was like really stark white, and the other one was more of an off-white or a winter white, and I went with that one. And the die that I used to make them is this one, and I actually cut two of this size, one of this and one of this one, and that's how it came out. And then I just sort of turned the leaves in like that and then turned them up just to give it a bit of dimension. Then in the center I used this little die cut that I have. It's a little snowflake and it comes out like that, and I just used some gold cardboard for this. So I added that to the center and then a few stamens. And then on the leaves I used Snow-Tex glittering snow, and it does have a bit of glitter in it, as you can see, but I wanted more. So I added some fine glitter, the snow white, on top of the Snow-Tex before it dried, and that's how it came out. Very pretty. See, there they are. Okay, so for the second ones that I made, they're a little bit different, or very different. They're very sparkly and very pink. And these ones I used pink cardstock, and for the leaves underneath I just used the green. And I actually followed a tutorial for this one, and the name of the channel and the lady's name is this, because if I try and say it, I know I'm going to get it wrong. So, but hers wasn't exactly the same. She used a different dye to me, and I think her flowers had more green on them. But anyway, the dye that I used to make those was this one. And I just used these two middle ones. I cut two of this size, one of this size in the pink, and one of these in the green cardboard for the leaves. And I'll just bring one up close. Okay, so in the center, to just add that little bit of green, I just used the distress ink called Twisted Citron. And then on the leaves, I used picked raspberry. And then to make them more sparkly, I just put a bit of glue on all the leaves. And then I added a little mixture that I made up. And it's made of 1 part the shaved ice, and then a 1/4 part each of the coarse glitter and the fine glitter in snow white. And then I just mixed all that up together and then sprinkled that over the top of the glue. That's how they came out. So there they are. I mean, I don't usually make sparkly things, but I do love these. I can't say I love the glitter trail that leads from my craft room to my kitchen to my bedroom, though. So there they are. So all I need to do now is get onto Pinterest, get some ideas and inspiration for some Christmas cards, and I'll be right. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.